MeetEdgar AI is one of the most exciting new AI tools hitting the market right now. And in this review, I'll walk you through 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're in digital marketing or content creation, this software could be a game changer for you, so stick around as we break down everything you need to know. First, let's dive into what MeetEdgar AI actually does. This software is designed to automate your social media content creation. Whether you're a content creator, marketer, or business owner, you know how time-consuming it can be to consistently post on social media. MeetEdgar AI solves that problem by not just scheduling your posts, but actually creating them based on your content library and preferences. It uses AI to generate posts that are both relevant and engaging, saving you hours every week. One of the best features of MeetEdgar AI is its content categorization. You can organize your content into different categories, whether it's educational, promotional, or something else, so the AI can pick and choose from these categories when creating your posts. This gives you more control over the type of content being shared and ensures it aligns with your brand. The next point you need to know is that MeetEdgar AI integrates with all the major social platforms. Whether you're on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, LinkedIn, or others, MeetEdgar can connect with them to schedule and post your content automatically. This multi-platform support means you can streamline your social media efforts from one place without having to log into multiple accounts or tools. Another standout feature is the AI's ability to optimize content based on what works best for your audience. Over time, MeetEdgar learns from your engagement data, improving its ability to create more effective posts. If you've been struggling with understanding your audience's preferences or engagement patterns, this tool will take care of that for you, ensuring your content has the best chance of going viral. But what about ease of use? MeetEdgar AI is incredibly user-friendly, even if you're not a tech expert. It's designed with simplicity in mind, so you can start creating and scheduling content in just a few clicks. Plus, with its intuitive interface, you don't need to spend hours learning how to navigate it. Everything is right where you need it, and the onboarding process is seamless. One of the things I appreciate most about MeetEdgar AI is its evergreen content library. Once you've created posts, you can save them in your library, allowing you to reuse them at a later date. The AI even helps you recycle this content intelligently, so you're not posting the same thing over and over again, but still keeping your content fresh and active. Before I move on, let me remind you that if you're intrigued by what you're hearing, you can try MeetEdgar AI completely free through the first link in the description. Trust me, this is definitely worth checking out, especially if you're serious about scaling your social media presence without wasting precious time. Now, let's talk pricing. While some AI tools can be expensive, MeetEdgar offers a pricing structure that's affordable for small businesses and solo entrepreneurs. And given the time and money it saves in content creation and scheduling, it's an investment that could pay off quickly. To wrap things up, if you're looking to level up your social media game with the best new AI software, MeetEdgar AI is definitely worth exploring. From content creation and automation to learning from your audience and optimizing your posts, it's a tool that could save you a lot of time while boosting your engagement. If you want to dive deeper, make sure to check out my recommended AI software in the description, all of which you can try for free after testing thousands of AI tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.